What's going on, y'all? JT here with an unboxing and look. Now, this is going to be a four-wheel drive kit. It's a Team Corrali 10 scale SBX 410. I picked this up from Tiny Adventures RC. There's going to be a link down in the description if you guys are wanting to look at this and look at purchasing one as well. I've had this for probably about a week or so. I've been kind of looking at it and looking at some stuff I'm going to need for it and stuff as well. So I'm going to unbox this and show this to you guys. But I also saw that online Team Corrali also has several videos. They got a 7-part video series where they actually go through the complete build of this kit. And I thought that was really interesting because I'm going to be actually using that. It's been a minute since I've built a kit. It's not that I don't know how to build a kit, but since they do have kind of a tutorial and stuff on it and walk you kind of through some of the steps and process, I'll be doing that. So if you guys want to see videos on that, let me know. Put that down below in the description and we'll go through that as well. So let's go ahead and let's crack this open. This does look pretty good. Now, this kit does not come with tires, so you will have to buy your own tires, and that's basically kind of how a lot of race kits and stuff are. But you get, of course, all the parts and pieces in here. Instruction manual, that's buried down up in here as well. A couple other things, but I did want to at least kind of bring this out and show this to you guys. Aluminum chassis. I don't know what grade this is, but we'll take a look at that as we go through the build. Of course, here's the body. You're going to have to actually paint and color this, cut this out and stuff. I'm going to try to leave this kind of to you guys. I thought about just kind of using that gray color they got on the box for this and working with that, but I may do a gray and whitish color or something, or gray and red to make it stick out more. And here's some of the other goodies in there. Now, if you guys have never built kits before, it's not a good idea. I remember back when I got my very first RC car, the Monster Beetle, kind of opened it up, threw everything everywhere, which was a mess. That was a big mistake because they had bags A, B, C, D, K, tree, T, and all that. Now it was just, yeah, wasn't the best thing to do. But it's true, it was my first RC car when I was a kid. So my brother ended up getting in and putting all that together, and I couldn't wait. And I want him to have it done in 2 days or a day. And it took him like a week, but it was my first car and his first build. But he got it together, and lo and behold, we got that running. But that was my very first hobby grade RC car. But anyway, back to this. You get all the components, of course, you need in here. But as I mentioned, you do not get any tires. You do get some wheels for this, but there are no tires. So I've been looking at a couple things and where I'm actually going to run this at. We do have a local track. I don't even know if they race. I think they do race 10 scales. So it would be nice for me to try to get this together in the next couple of weeks and take it up there for a couple of laps and stuff. But I'm just kind of going through this. I'm not going to even unpack this stuff because I kind of want to keep everything together. Here's the A-arms and stuff in there as well. And it does not include shock oil or diff oil as well. So I'm going to be probably taking a trip up to the local track soon. Here's the shocks, and look at that. This is a good thing. Look at that. The shocks are built. They're pre-built. Thank you. The one thing I hate doing with kits, and it's kept me from doing it, was literally building shocks. And they give you, looks like extra shock pistons and stuff in here as well. I won't know until I get all this open, but I do see, you know, at least one shock there, and I feel another one in here that's already somewhat built. So that is a good thing. I don't think the diffs and stuff are kind of pre-built like that, but that's fine. Normally when you build stuff like this, especially kind of a race kit, you do kind of want to do your own oils and your diffs, and then also your own oiling your shocks and stuff as well. So just sort through this real quick. Got a couple other things as well. And then we got stickers down here, and then we got the instruction manual. This looks like a little catalog. So let me get this aside real quick and just show you guys kind of what you're getting with. There's kind of a glare there. But oh, this is actually colored. I didn't expect it to be a colored instruction manual. So So that's pretty cool. I'll go through this, and like I said, they do have a tutorial online on YouTube. Like I said, it's a 7-part video, so I think it's like maybe about an hour, a little bit over an hour, something like that. But they go through kind of the whole build series. Some of the videos kind of sped up just to, you know, speed up, expedite the time, so they won't be sitting up here making 20-hour videos, which I understand. But I'm actually going to look through that probably in the next couple of days and look at that video and then start the build on that. So if you guys kind of want to see a build on this, it's probably going to be long. I may just go live here and there and then start the build, maybe have the tutorial going, and we can kind of look at that together as I go through and start building it. And we can talk about a couple of things. And you kit builders out there, feel free to join. I'll probably try to let you guys know ahead of time, maybe do a premiere or something like that, so you guys can kind of chime in for this build. But I am anxious to get this built, and I do kind of want to see how this is going to perform as well, because I've had a couple of, I've never really had a 10 scale 4-wheel drive race buggy. I've had other ones that were kind of like, you know, budgeted, entry level and stuff like that. But this will be my very first race one, which I'm kind of excited to get in and get to building and stuff. And of course, you know, this comes with full ball bearings, etc. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description so you guys can go over to Tiny Adventures RC and check this out as well. If you guys are in that area, Will actually, the owner of the shop, actually built one too. So he's got one running, and he told me about a couple unique features on this particular kit as well. So I'm kind of excited to get into building that and looking at that and seeing, you know, just how this kind of fares up just to running and stuff like that. And I believe this is going to use shorty packs, so I may look at getting some SMC packs or something like that to run in this to get this started. And you know, I'll run 2S and then 3S, and I'm not sure of what system I'm gonna put in here, but I do have a Castle Mamba Max Pro and stuff I'll probably put up in here with I don't know what the KV is, maybe a 3800 or maybe a 5800. I can't remember. I got one of those motors in there, but this will need a high KV motor to get this running, to run on 2S stuff as well. So, and I'll think about electronic servos and all that. But we'll talk about that as we get this build going. But I did want to show this to you guys and get this unboxed and a quick look at it, just so you guys can kind of see what's going on here and what you can expect. Excuse me. What you can expect in the next couple of weeks. And I kind of like the way that looks, so I may actually paint it with that gray, blacken out the windows and put those, if those stickers come in, I may do that, and then blacken out the wings. I like the way that looks. So, and I kind of like this cab forward body it has on it. But we're gonna see, guys, we're gonna get this thing built and get this thing up and running in the next couple of weeks. So as always, don't forget to put your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.